Day 23 of the circuit breaker, and I am back today with another unboxing video. This is the Flair Espresso Signature Pro 2 in black. I purchased this locally. It's available. If you Google Flair Espresso Signature Pro 2, Leah, close the door. You will be able to find it in Singapore. They have a local distributor. They distribute to Singapore as well as to Vietnam. Now for the Flair Espresso, everything is all mechanical, meaning to say that there are no parts to replace, and that's what I like about it. I've seen all the YouTube videos. It's that's really the thing that I like about it. I've got a cup of freshly ground coffee beans. It's on standby right now. So let's just do an unboxing right now. So you can see that it comes in this carry case, meaning to say that it's probably for portability. Now I've tried looking at those manual hand grinders. I don't think the beans are going to be ground fine enough. If you guys out there have any ideas what manual hand grinders I can purchase, you know, so that this can be truly portable, please let me know in the comments below. But let's just open this. This comes in a box, and it says here, hey there, you're stronger than you know, please don't break me. Okay, it's telling you that this handle, you can potentially break it. Okay, I will not break you, but I will. Let me just remove this. This is a very aesthetically pleasing copper element right here. Pretty nice. Okay, this is probably the base. Whatever that I've read so far, or seen so far, is just on YouTube. It's got some nice pouches. It's got this shim over here. It's got this tamping device, and it's got this, I believe this you can use to tamp as well. Okay, let me put this aside. There we go. This is this is the one. So, okay, they've given a couple of these shims. So to put the beans inside here into this basket. And then I'm supposed to temp with this, and then, or I could temp with this, like so, and then I'm gonna use this, and I'm simply putting this thing on top. That's right. That's what I'm supposed to do. Okay. Let me just remove the gauge. So it's gonna sit quite loosely in this fashion. Okay. This would be the drip tray. You can see it's got holes. It's got some. The branding is there. Before I start the brew process, I'm gonna be boiling some water. I'm going to be running some hot water through all these metal gaskets. So just to make sure that I kill any germs, blah 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 and whatever. I made another discovery while I was waiting. Apparently I got another one of these baskets. So you can see that one is a little bit shorter than the other. This would be for the higher dose, and this one would be for a smaller dose. I'm gonna dump all these things into this bowl here, the boiling water, and I'm just gonna clean it. So I'm just gonna run this in hot water first. I think I would use the bigger basket. Gonna put the coffee grounds inside. Oh! I guess that's the reason why you were given this, so this doesn't happen. I've got some remaining coffee inside. Of course, I will get a little bit better over time, as always. Okay, now this looks good. Okay, this I would push. Oh, no. You see it? I almost forgotten the shim. Oh. Clean it in hot water. Oh crap! I forgot to. Damn it! I forgot to temp. I was supposed to temp this, but never mind. This will be good enough. Okay, this one goes like that. Alright, I'm gonna pour some water in. Oof. Oh! I'm screwing up so badly. Oh. Oh god. Okay, anyway, let's just do this. Okay, let's see if I get some espresso. I'm trying to maintain it at 6-7 bar of pressure. Okay, that's done. I'm just gonna zoom in a little bit. The weather in Singapore is so damn crazy hot. I'm breaking out into a sweat. Anyways, this is for a first attempt. I pretty much just put everything together. You can see that it wasn't rehearsed. Definitely looks like a legit cup of espresso. Now for the taste test. Wow. My unboxing videos these days is giving me a lot of thrill and a lot of joy. It really tastes like a cup of legitimate espresso, which is great. So I can only imagine if I play around with the settings a little bit more. I could make Americano from this, which is great. It's what I have every day. So every time I go to Starbucks, I pay $6 for a cup of coffee. It's Americano. Now, with the Signature Pro 2 at $525, if I'm not wrong, they actually have a Mother's Day discount. So with the Signature Pro 2 at $525, I divide it by 6. That would mean, let's see, if I divide it by 6, approximately, okay? My break even on this device would be 87.5 cups. Not too bad, man. Not too bad. Considering I drink coffee every single day, I would break even in 3 months, 4 months, considering the cost of the beans. So for those who are not aware, Starbucks and the rest of the other cafes out there, they make a ton of money from you guys buying Americano. Wow, it's really delicious. You wanna try? Okay. The wife is not a fan of coffee, but man, this is great. Overall, very pleasantly surprised with this device that I purchased. I think I'm looking forward to many different more kinds of combinations, and experimentation with this particular unit. I know I made a mess, but still it turned out okay. The margin for error is actually quite wide, not narrow at all. You can get away with mistakes that you've seen me do along the way. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed today's video. As always, take care, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!